guys, I'm Imogen. I'm the Welfare Officer at University of Galway, and today I'll be asking students what's in this pack. Hey, how are you? What's your name?
My name's Cara.
I'm here with my pals, Sai and Shawnee.
Joe, and I'm the Vice President for Education in the University of Galway Students' Union.
Okay, so I have you here today because I want you to try and guess what's in this package.
Lube. A Nintendo DS.
Both very interesting choices.
Do you know when you get those magazines like in the plastic and they come with free samples, you don't know what they are? It's kind of like that.
Interesting.
I know, it feels educational. Like pens, maybe? I don't know. Stationery?
This is actually an STI test kit.
Okay, didn't expect that.
As you can see, it's in completely discreet packaging. No one would ever be able to tell what's in this.
That gets rid of all the awkwardness of like, hi, I'm here for an STI test. You just do it.
I completely agree. So as you can see, it's really difficult to tell what's inside this pack. All you need to do is order online at SexualWellbeing.ie. It'll be delivered straight to your door. It's simple, it's quick, and it's totally free.